We are in Chapter 5, Section 5, talking about complex numbers. Again, we're doing the guided practice problems on page 353, or if you're looking at the PDF, it's on 44. In this section, we're going to find the complex conjugate. And you heard me in the previous videos where I was finding the roots of equations or finding the zeros of quadratic functions. You always get 2. Whenever you solve a quadratic, you always get 2 roots or 2 zeros. Those 2 that you get are called complex conjugates of each other. So in this video, all we're going to do is figure out what they are. If I know one, what's the other one? So remember, if one of them is a plus bi, and a or b could be negative, we don't know. The other one is going to be a minus bi, and these are just opposite of each other. So if I have a minus sign in front of the imaginary part, then I'm going to put a plus sign in front of it. But notice that the real part stays the same. So we have to decide what's real and what's imaginary. In this part, the real part is 0. It doesn't show me the hidden 0. So I got 0 subtract 9i is what I'm given. The complex conjugate is 0 plus 9i. Or you can just say 9i. For problem 15, the real part is square root of 5, and the imaginary part is 5i. So its complex conjugate, the real part stays the same, square root of 5, and the imaginary part becomes the opposite, negative 5i. Now, they only do this to trick you. You're smarter than that, okay? This is not 8i plus 3. Don't do that, and actually. That way I'm yelling it. Let's write it in this form. So I get negative 3 plus 8i. So its complex conjugate would be negative 3 subtract 8i. Finally, for number 17, I have 6 plus I times the square root of 2. Now again, that tells me that up here I have square root of 2 for the b, right? Yes, I know instead of bi, this is ib. Okay, I just made an ib joke, all right? But that's only because we put the radicals last. Remember, radicals always go last. Everything else is going to be okay. Its complex conjugate is 6 subtract I times the square root of 2. All right, good luck on the homework. Ask questions in the discussion if you don't understand anything. Bye.